The difference of two rational numbers is always, sometimes, or never a rational number. Let's start with some examples. So I did 5 minus 3. Those are rational numbers. Even if I did 3 minus 5, that's -2, still a rational number. What if I did decimals, like 1.10 minus 0.5, that's 0.6. That's still a rational number. What about fractions? 1/2 minus 1/4, that's 1/4. That's still a rational number. So yeah, anytime we add or subtract a rational number, like a over b minus c over d, we're always going to get some other rational number. So yes, this would be always.